बोलिए एकदम दिल से
फीमेल ड्रिवन
बोलिएगा।
फिल्म्स जो हैं वो नहीं एक लिमिट के ज़्यादा काम कर सकती, चाहे जितना मर्जी कोशिश कर लो, ऑडियंस ओपनिंग नहीं देगी बड़ी।
नहीं देगी।
Very difficult. I was aware that men will not see this film.
We are letting it happen. Law and order, police issue, you say okay these people are living in these circumstances, ये background है, ये foreground है, जो भी है. But if a 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 13-year-old is committing this crime, then it's about what are they seeing at home.
This film does not spare you.
कोई देश मस्कीटो फ्री है, कोई पोल्यूशन फ्री है, कोई टैक्स फ्री है, एक भी देश आपको इस दुनिया में नहीं मिलेगा जो एक्चुअली रेप फ्री है।
जब फिल्मों में रेप होता था तो लड़की कहती थी मुझे भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो, तो कहता था तुझे भगवान के लिए छोड़ दूंगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? And we used to laugh.
And we used to laugh at that.
We need to sit and talk to our kids. There are a lot of kids in the film. I was in my head making it for children, the film.
ये हमारे बॉलीवुड में ना ये जोड़ियां एक्टर डायरेक्टर्स की कई जोड़ियां हिट हो जाती हैं। जैसे आप you have अमिताभ बच्चन इन मनमोहन देसाई, you also have शाहरुख खान इन यश चोपड़ा। अब कुछ दिनों से लोग कह रहे हैं जादू जरा चल रहा है अनुभव सिन्हा जी और तापसी पन्नू का। Can I really say that Anubhav Sinha means the same for Taapsee Pannu as maybe Yashi meant for Shahrukh?
Oh yeah.
Yes, she has several.
You diluting the question, please. Taapsee, please take
What
it.
is
You
What
take
is
it.
this? Let me be nice about this comparison and putting us in the same sentence. It's just enjoy it for a change.
इतने इनको आप कोर्ट रूम में ले जाते हैं, पहले आप इनको मुल्क में केस लड़वाए, फिर थप्पड़ में पति के खिलाफ आप इनको कोर्ट लेकर आए, फिर अब 80 में वापस आप इनको कोर्ट लेकर गए हैं। तो तापसी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि अनुभव सिन्हा के साथ फिल्म करने के लिए
LLB कर लेनी चाहिए।
LLB कर लीजिए आप भी।
It was almost a 2-page monologue. And he said, हाँ ये तो तू कर ही लेगी ना, तो मैं जरा बाकी शूट कर लेता हूँ सारा, और ये ना एंड में बस एक ही टेक करेगी ना तू, तो एक ही टेक तो हो जाए।
What pressure on you, man? ये बहुत ही गलत बात है किसी को ये कहना।
The heights of familiarity is this, and I'm like हाँ।
Okay, paparazzi.
Who are they?
I'm glad I didn't say that.
Finally, Taapsee Pannu.
Sweetheart.
Thanks.
Assi, a movie directed by Anubhav Sinha starring Taapsee Pannu, is actually a very gripping courtroom thriller that exposes the epidemic of rape in our country and also gives out the shocking statistics of almost 80 rapes being reported in our country every single day. I'm very glad that a movie has been made on this issue and very happy to have both the director and the actor of the movie with me right now. So welcome Taapsee, welcome Anubhav ji on my podcast Inside Out with Megha Prasad. और मैं अनुभव जी आपसे शुरू करना चाहूँगी, ये मुद्दा क्यों उठाया आपने? पहली बात, and do you really think that India is ready to accept a movie on an issue like this? ट्रेलर देखी मैंने, weak hearted के लिए ना थोड़ा झकझोर देगी उसको।
थप्पड़ बनाई थी तो भी ये सवाल था, मुझे खुद को ऐसा I believed when I made Thappad. Have you seen Thappad?
I haven't actually.
So it was about a good husband hitting his wife for the first time, and she says, I can't deal with it, I'm leaving. This was a one-line story of the film.
Okay.
And then she does leave.
Okay.
And as it turns out, towards the climax, that she's realizes that she's also pregnant.
Okay.
So very difficult. And I was making it difficult because I was aware that men will not see this film. But you will be surprised, I have received, after the release of the film, I have received no less than 5 phone calls a day, anonymous, by men who would just cry bitterly, not say anything, thank you, thank you.
Because they can relate to the movie, is it?
I have no idea what the story is. So there was a gentleman doing an interview with us just now. In the first screening, like tonight, the lights went on us. Vishal Bhardwaj was hosting the screening. He called us for a Q&A. And the first man who rises inside the darkness, we can't see his face. And there's senior journalists in the house. There's Bakadar, there is Shekhar Gupta, all important people of. So he could be as important. I don't know who that is. So he gets up and he says, कि सर लिखूंगा तो बहुत इसके बारे में. And then he breaks down. And he says, बस यही था कि थोड़ा जल्दी बना देते तो मेरी माँ नहीं पिटती. मैं हमेशा ये सोच, जब सेकंड गेस कर रहे थे ऑडियंस को, तो आई वाज सीइंग इट फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. बट men have seen their sisters beaten up.
Right.
Men have seen their mothers being beaten up. And I have quoted this in so many interviews, and he must have seen it. So he came here today, shook my hand, and he kept looking in my eyes, and I thought maybe there's someone I should remember, and I don't. And then he said who he was. That was the man. I said, okay. So this film does not spare you. So, you know, those films are simpler. No, when you can blame it on the bellboy and you say, you know, he messed up. But this one includes you. Maybe you messed up. So that makes it difficult.
Okay. So
Because
it's a complicated one.
It's a very legitimate accusation, and you buy it. And that's when you get involved in it. Because I have seen people come out of the screening and said, disturbed. I said, what? I said, what can I do about it?
Yeah.
And that was the point of this film.
Yeah, I mean, that would be eventually the intention beyond, behind movies like these.
Yeah.
But आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, देखिए आपका अपना एक किरदार है, आप लॉयर हैं, इसमें और भी कई किरदार हैं जो प्रोमोज में मैंने देखा
जी
आपके. कोई ऐसा किरदार किसी और की कहानी, because you yourself, you're a lawyer, you're not going through the entire trauma or the ordeal, लेकिन कोई ऐसा किरदार इस मूवी में जिसे देखकर you kind of got shaken from inside कि ऐसा भी होता है हमारे देश में.
इस एक्चुअली कुछ जो सीन्स मेरे सामने तो वही थे जो कोर्ट में हुए थे, राइट. और मेरे कुछ सीन हैं कनी के साथ जिन्होंने सर्वाइवर का किरदार निभाया, जो उनके साथ हो जाता है, उसके बाद जो उनकी दशा होती है वो मुझे दिखती है. बट मैंने जब पिक्चर देखी तो मुझे कैसे हुई, एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ, वो देख के आई थिंक दैट विल बी अ टफ वन टू गेट थ्रू. बट वंस यू गेट थ्रू इट, देन यू आर fully into it, and then you become the judge sitting on the judge's seat actually there in the courtroom when you've gone through it and seen it. And the other characters, even the other women, if you talk about that one scene of Seema ma'am, one scene of Supriya Pathak, one scene, but जो वो कह रही हैं, वो कर रही है ना, that will appall you कि ये इन्होंने ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया, ये भी तो औरतें हैं. बट उनके शूज में अपने आप को डाल के देखो तो शायद समझ में आता है वेयर इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम. बट फिर भी तो औरतें हैं. तो डाइकोटमी यू कैन फील इन देयर परफॉर्मेंस, इन व्हाट्स रिटन, हाउ द सीन इज प्लेस्ड,
or the story that they are depicting.
Yeah, but it is so real. You cannot say कि it's 100% right or 100% wrong what they are saying.
Flawed people.
Yeah,
But that's life, isn't it?
So
Yeah,
that
but
shakes you.
We don't. I mean, I love Grays. I don't.
You do love Grace.
I don't like whites.
वो
and
आपके
that.
movies में दिखता है अनुभव जी.
So she's a very flawed character. Shabana ji saw the film the other day, and she was saying, "I've never seen that expression on Supriya's face in my life. That last expression when she says, 'Nobody will die.'" She said, "I've never seen that strong an expression on her face." So she's the one in Mirch Masala who revolts the hardest. But
पर आपको पता है अनुभव जी, हम जब रिसर्च कर
please
रहे
call
थे,
me Anubhav.
नहीं अब जब मैंने आपको जी बुलाया तो हम जी पे ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे. तो जब रिसर्च कर रहे थे, वी एक्चुअली फाउंड आउट द डेटा सेज 86 per day. So 86 rape cases being reported in India every day, Anubhav ji. And this is a question to both of you. What does that tell you about our society, our Indian society? Can we really blame it on the government, law and order, police, etc., or are we really talking about this something intrinsically wrong with our society?
That's where you come into play, the audience.
Yeah, we are letting it happen. See, it is a law and order, police issue. You say, okay, these people are living in these circumstances, ये background है, ये foreground है, जो भी है. But if a 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 13-year-old is committing this crime, then it's about what are they seeing at home?
Yeah.
What kind of upbringing? 10-year-old doing this means we all as a society have gone wrong somewhere in the upbringing.
Yeah.
So that's what this film speaks to you about.
Yeah.
Forget about blaming it on this one, that one, uski responsibility, uska kaam. Where did you go wrong? Because it's very convenient for us to say कि हमारे घर में नहीं हुआ, हमारे लड़के ने नहीं किया, but तुम्हारे आसपास हुआ, तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारा लड़का डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली जानता था किसी को, वो उसकी मानसिकता को अफेक्ट कर सकता था in a good or a bad way. Are you aware of all these? Are you doing something about it? Because 80 or 86 per day in a year, how many? More than 30,000? So that
ये तो सिर्फ रिपोर्टेड हैं
Exactly.
जी, ये तो रिपोर्ट जो
Yeah.
घर के अंदर होती हैं,
Yeah.
जहाँ महिलाएं पुलिस तक नहीं
नहीं
पहुँचती
जाती
हैं.
70% I think is the number that happens through people you know.
But the strange part is, हम ऐसे एक दुनिया में रहते हैं जहाँ कई देश, यहाँ कोई देश मस्कीटो फ्री है, कोई पोल्यूशन फ्री है, कोई टैक्स फ्री है. एक भी देश आपको इस दुनिया में नहीं मिलेगा जो एक्चुअली रेप फ्री है. तो ये हमारे यहाँ हमारे सोसाइटी में तो है ही, बट ये दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम अक्रॉस.
And that guy in France was getting his wife raped and shooting it. Remember
so
that
many
case?
cases in America are
Like
such.
6, 7, 10 months back.
It's sickening how it is, but it's even more sickening when we come back to our own country, क्योंकि हम ऐसे देश में रहते हैं अनुभव जी जहाँ हमारे politicians ये कहते हैं. अभी हाल फिलहाल में एक ने ये कहा कि if you can't help it, just lie back and enjoy it. This is what he said about rape, and he said it. I think he said it in the assembly,
Karnataka Assembly.
Karnataka Assembly. And then of course you have the famous लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है. उससे तो मैं आज तक उभर नहीं पाई.
नहीं, आप और थोड़ा पीछे जाइए. जब फिल्मों में रेप होता था तो लड़की कहती थी मुझे भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो, तो कहता था तुझे भगवान के लिए छोड़ दूंगा तो मेरा क्या होगा. And we used to laugh.
And we used to laugh at that.
So that's where we're coming
And
from.
that's where I bring you in, and you're the filmmaker, sir. You are the filmmaker. You understand the psyche of our society, and that is why the question: what does that tell you about who we are as Indians?
Patriarchal, yes. I think there is a conversation between fathers and mothers and their sons. An inconvenient conversation is pending for generations. We need to sit and talk to our kids. That's my view.
You think your movie is going to provoke that?
I
Make it
don't
happen?
know. Some people, I saw one trailer review, which said that, looking at the trailer.
Okay.
According to me, this is what the film is saying, and I was surprised because I don't think I have said it in the film.
Okay.
I may have it because that's what I believe. I may have recommended it. That there are a lot of kids in the film. Because I was in my head making it for children, the film.
You want a conversation going, don't you?
Yeah.
Huh? You want a conversation.
And I think
going.
that's where lie the answers. I think there are several answers.
Absolutely.
once you-
That's where upbringing also comes
Yeah.
in, है ना? आप बात नहीं करेंगे तो बदलेंगी
तो
चीजें
हम
कैसे?
बच्चों से ना बात नहीं करते. मुझे याद है एक बार बहुत छोटा था मैं, बहुत छोटा नहीं था, सॉरी, मैं 13-14 साल का था. और पहली बार किसी फिल्म मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे सेक्स वर्ड लिखा हुआ था. और वो
Such a taboo, no?
हाँ, मैं बैठा हुआ था, पापा मम्मी भी आ गए, मैच भी चल रहा था कोई, तो मेरे को याद है मैंने वो मैगजीन उल्टी कर दी थी. अच्छा, मैं नहीं बोल रहा था सेक्स, ना मैं सेक्स कर रहा था, एक मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे सेक्स लिखा हुआ था.
हाँ यार, वो तो
ये तो है, और ये आज भी बहुत है.
हाँ, हाँ.
वो फ्रीडम नहीं है बात करने की. लेकिन चलिए थोड़ा अब आई हैव डिस्कस द इशू, थोड़ा सा लाइटर नोट पर अब ये पूछा जाए आप दोनों से. देखिए हमारे बॉलीवुड में ना ये जोड़ियां एक्टर डायरेक्टर्स की कई जोड़ियां हिट हो जाती हैं. जैसे आप you have अमिताभ बच्चन इन मनमोहन देसाई, you also have शाहरुख खान इन यश चोपड़ा. अब कुछ दिनों से लोग कह रहे हैं जादू जरा चल रहा है अनुभव सिन्हा जी और तापसी
what a
पन्नू
lead
का.
to be in.
तो
What a
ये-
lead. ना इसी बात पे खुश हो गया. अब आप कुछ भी पूछ
So
लीजिए.
can I really say that Anubhav Sinha means the same for Taapsee Pannu as maybe Yashi meant for Shahrukh?
Oh yeah.
Yes, she has several.
Yeah, it's actually.
You diluting the question.
Let me feel happy about
Taapsee,
it.
please take
What
it.
is
Now.
this?
You
What
take
is
it.
this? Let me feel nice about this comparison and putting us in the same sentence. It's just let's just enjoy it for a change.
then that's where the realistic filmmaker comes in, ना वो आपको नीचे ले आएंगे.
like reality check every time.
हर
Sometimes
जगह.
let's go away
बताइए आप क्या जवाब देते हैं इस पर?
I'm very fond of her as a person, as an actor, evidently.
हाँ.
And you know what is the most exciting thing about casting actors like Taapsee is that she is in the movie for the exact same reason why I'm making it.
Okay.
I meet a lot of actors who want to do these films because they want to have a film like that in their portfolio. It's a strategy. For Taapsee, it's not strategy. Taapsee is doing it for the exact reason why I'm making it.
Taapsee, and how would you word that reason?
Actually, that's true because my filmography has a lot of these taboo topics, so to say. If I had a strategy, then I would have liked to have more variety of, okay, this is one topic, but let's do a flimsy one and let's mix and match. But I don't approach it like that. I'm really thankful that makers come to me because the whole journey of mine, it has been such that I'm not sure if I've had many backings of sorts. So when a good script comes to me, I just jump onto it. कि मुझे मिल रही है वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. And then it's written so well. I love saying his lines. I've been a huge fan of his dialogue writing. I've been telling him even in the things that I'm not a part of.
Okay.
Those projects also, I always like क्या dialogue लिखेगा. And it's just a privilege to say those lines because credit मैं ले लेती हूँ ना फिर उसका.
The amount of trust, this poster just reminded me of this. So this was to be the ink on her face. Right? Now, she's also wearing her costume. Right? This happens in a running shot. Now, somebody has to do it in a running shot. So the team was preparing for it. This is the kind of stains I wanted on her face.
Okay.
So they would put up a white fabric and throw it on that. Finally, I approved of the pattern.
Okay.
So there is this bottle and there is this small little nozzle. How thick is the hole? This took 7-8 days. Right?
Wow.
And then
Just get the ink pattern on her face right.
yeah, this is happening while we're shooting other things.
Okay.
They will suddenly come and, sir, please come and see this. Finally, I said okay to one. So that day the bottle was finalized. Right? The thickness of the ink was finalized. That day we had the shot. And we were shooting in next couple of days. And now we are doing the shot. So Taapsee is walking, the camera is walking behind her. Taapsee turns, watch out. Now, who will throw it? Because if it doesn't get right, then she has to wash her face, she has to do her makeup again, she has to change her costume, an hour.
Yeah.
So now the discussion between assistants, makeup team, everyone, I'll do it, you'll do it, I'll do it, you'll do it. Suddenly Taapsee says, sir, you do it. I said, okay. So I went and I did it. And it falls on her face and I'm like, wow.
So it came right in just one shot?
Exactly
shot?
the way I wanted it. No, the story doesn't end here. Exactly the way I'm in disbelief while it's happening. Taapsee is performing.
Okay.
Camera still running and I'm in disbelief. All good, no? Left, right, I'm seeing all of that.
Okay.
Clapping, all of that. Now she goes to the courtroom. That's another day.
Okay. That's another day.
Another day.
Okay.
So now it's obvious that the makeup person will do it. So that's happening in the background, none of my business. I am setting up the shot, cameras, blah, blah, blah. Suddenly Taapsee says, so somebody comes and tells me, Taapsee is calling you. So I go there, she's ready, and the makeup person is ready to start doing it. And Taapsee, sir, this will never happen.
So you do it again?
Do it again.
I know.
And then I do it again. And it works out in one shot. It works out absolutely fine.
I think I played
You're
the
an
safest.
expert ink thrower, aren't
Yeah.
you?
I think I played the safest because I was like किसी को blame करने को नहीं मिलेगा. ये खुद ही करेंगे, खुद ही mess होगा, खुद ही देखेंगे जो है वो है.
I used to be, as an assistant, I was very good at, there was a time when I was working with Sridevi and Madhuri both as an assistant. And वो बालों में जो हवा होती है ना, तो वो blower हमेशा मेरे हाथ में ही होता था. कि श्रीदेवी के मुंह पे blower मारना है बॉस. तो मतलब श्रीदेवी was श्रीदेवी. And वो मेरे हाथ में, मैं कैमरे के बाहर खड़ा हूँ. स्लो मोशन में उनके बाल.
ये काम भी आप अच्छा करते हैं डायरेक्शन के अलावा.
I was good at this.
You seem to be still continuing to be good at that. बट आपसे ये पूछूं, देखिए हमारे टीम वालों ने लिख के भेजा कि भाई अनुभव जी से पूछे, तापसी से पूछे कि पहले इतने इनको आप कोर्ट रूम में ले जाते हैं, पहले आप इनको मुल्क में केस लड़वाए, फिर थप्पड़ में पति के खिलाफ आप इनको
आर्बिट्रेशन था, आर्बिट्रेशन था.
80 में वापस आप इनको कोर्ट लेकर गए हैं. तो तापसी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि अनुभव सिन्हा के साथ फिल्म करने के लिए
LLB कर लीजिए,
LLB कर ही लीजिए आप भी, है ना. इतनी जब आपको कोर्ट ले ही जाते हैं, अगला क्या होने वाला है?
मुझे भी लग रहा है अगर ये पिक्चर हिट हो जाती है ना, मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे को सीरियसली कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा ये थॉट, क्योंकि अब मैं बहुत लोग मुझे क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं सेम. आप कर ही लीजिए ना,
क्या कर लीजिए?
कर ही लीजिए ना. उनको लग रहा है एकदम आसान सा काम है, कर ही लीजिए. अरे भाई बहुत मेहनत का काम है, ये तो डायलॉग में लिखे होते हैं, मैं लर्न करके बोल देती हूँ. इतना वो लॉयर्स आर.
But this time I have, this courtroom is very different in the film
Oh yeah,
from Mulk or any other.
अच्छा.
Because
It's too real.
I did
It's too real, is it?
I spent 2 days in Patiala House, and I said, "Whoa, I haven't done anything like this ever before." So then I took my DOP there.
I went there.
She went there. She went. You were in a burqa.
पटियाला हाउस के, तो आपको तो बॉम्बे में देखना चाहिए था. When we reported out of courtrooms, the entire Kasab trial, etc. different Sanjay Dutt, so many trials. जब पहली बार आप मुंबई के सेशंस कोर्ट में घुसेंगे तो आपको लगेगा अच्छा कोर्ट ऐसा दिखता है, क्योंकि आपने तो मूवीज में कोर्ट कुछ और ही देखा
हाँ, थिएटर
है,
है.
पढ़ाई करते वक्त कुछ और देखा है. जब पहली बार मुंबई सेशंस कोर्ट एंड देन व्हेन यू गो टू द मेट्रोपॉलिटन कोर्ट तो और धक्का लगता है कि अच्छा कोर्ट
मैंने सिर्फ सुप्रीम कोर्ट देखा है, मैं छोटे मोटे कोर्ट में गया ही नहीं.
ठीक है.
मैंने 2 ही केस लड़े हैं, दोनों सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लड़े हैं, तो वो बड़े डिसिप्लिन क्वाइट होते हैं.
That's the good one. पर आपने कौन सा रेप्लिकेट किया है?
मैंने पटियाला
Patiala House वाला.
Patiala House.
Because Delhi की
not in the
story
way
है.
it looks, but in the way it functions.
Yeah.
In the way it functions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
Okay.
casualness and the coolness of
Yeah.
it. Somebody's life's going to change, and the judge is in a hurry, and it's no.
And
आप
so
सता.
are the lawyers. Prosecution lawyer has got 10 other cases.
10 other cases actually.
Yeah,
तो ये हमें पता ही नहीं था. हमको लगता था कि जज भी इमोशनल हो रखा है,
हाँ.
डिफेंस काउंसिल भी इमोशनल है, प्रोसिक्यूटर भी इमोशनल है.
दोनों बहुत.
वो हम जब गए तो पता लगा कोई इमोशनल ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
हमारी फिल्म में फिर भी हैं लोग इमोशनल. ये मतलब एटलीस्ट जो लॉयर्स इमोशनल है, जज भी है, लेकिन यू विल सी इट्स डिफरेंट.
It's different.
It's very different. It's very different.
मैंने सुना ये सही है कि आपने जब शुरू में मूवी शुरू हो रही, जब आप नई पोस्टर्स, जो पहली पोस्टर्स आई हैं उसमें आपने किसी भी एक्टर का चेहरा नहीं डाला. You actually wrote there that you've paid the maximum to the scriptwriter. Is that correct?
That's right.
And have you?
Yes.
I like how she's confirming.
No, I want to know.
No, I didn't
I mean, I don't know how many what script writers' pays are in Bollywood at this moment. But before, matlab, is it how much?
It can go up to 1 crore.
And that's the maximum we're looking at, is it?
The
When
right.
you have these legendary
But
script writers also writing it?
Yeah. In these films, not 1 crore.
Am I supposed to ask how much, or am I not supposed to ask?
No, you're not.
I'm not? Okay, but have you paid the maximum?
Yes.
Yes.
You have. Oh, great. Okay. नहीं, but देखिए, you have an actor like her. You know, people now really know her and identify her with solid roles. पर इस बार आपके मूवी में बहुत धुरंधर और लोग हैं.
बट आप देखिए हर बार ही होते हैं. मेरे पास तो चैलेंज हर बार ही होता है. मेरे को कौन से मुल्क थप्पड़, आपने लाइनअप देखा एक्टर्स का? आफ्टर मुल्क आई अंडरस्टूड ये ऐसे होने वाला है. यू हैव टू गेट इनटू इट.
My privilege is that some of these actors, hoodwink is a bad word, but I go and soft bully them. Oh, please kar do na, please kar do na. So and they do it. It's a massive privilege. It's a blessing to have Nasiruddin Shah come in for a scene and a half.
A scene and a half, huh?
That's right.
Okay.
Supriya Pathak, fully knowing it's one scene. Seema, fully knowing one scene. There's one actress whose voice I have used.
कौन है?
Divya Datta.
अच्छा, दिव्या.
I just sent her. I recorded
And
it.
they all agree.
And
हाँ,
I
अनुभव सिन्हा जी?
yeah, I sent
क्या
her
magic है?
I sent her a voice note.
हाँ.
She dubbed it and they sent it back. That's all.
How do you get around doing this?
Friend, I asked my son like 10 years back, what is your father's biggest earning? And he said, your relationships.
Your relationships. That is all that actually eventually ends up working, Anubhav ji. पर ये जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती थी, नसरुद्दीन शाह है, आपके पास रेवती है, मनोज पाहवा है, और the main the survivor, हाँ, कनी
कुसुती
कुसुती is her name, right? So इतने सारे हैं. अब सबसे ज्यादा किस एक्टर ने, और तापसी है, सबसे ज्यादा किस एक्टर ने चौंकाया है by the talent?
कनी एक्चुअली,
Okay.
बिकॉज मैंने कनी की सिर्फ एक फिल्म देखी थी, ऑल वी इमेजिन इज लाइट.
Okay.
शी वाज द लीड इन दैट,
Okay.
and I really liked her in the film. But this was a very different part. And when you meet her, na, she's a very different person. Very different person. She keeps giggling and whatnot.
And in the movie,
And the movie, so that Taapsee, I know Taapsee can surprise me in a scene. But Taapsee cannot surprise me in an overall performance because I have spent too much time with her on characters.
you're taking that criticism well.
Yeah. I mean, I take it more like
Also
we know
what
each other
happens
too
is-
well to surprise each other now in terms
Also,
of.
what happens is we spend too much time on the character
Okay.
before we go on set. So we pretty much know what we are going to do.
I'll tell you the example of he's just taken the surprise element 150% out of our lives.
Okay.
I remember the last scene.
Huh.
We were running over time, and he said that ये
It's
तो
a
तेरा-
3.5 minute soliloquy.
Yeah, it was almost
Okay.
a 2-page monologue. And he said, हाँ ये तो तू कर ही लेगी ना, तो मैं जरा बाकी शूट कर लेता हूँ सारा, और ये ना एंड में बस एक ही टेक करेगी ना तू, तो एक ही टेक तो हो जाए. अब
What
now
pressure on you, man? ये
imagine
बहुत ही गलत
the
बात है.
heights
किसी
of
को ये कहना.
familiarity is this, and I'm like हाँ and you're thinking कि oh no, but बोल तो अब क्या करें, ओवर टाइम जा चुके हैं, लाइट जा रही है, जल्दी से हाँ एक ही टेक ना, एक क्लोजअप लगाऊंगा बस, तू बाकी को करने दे, बाकी रिएक्शन ले लिए सर ने, सब कुछ हो गया,
2 पन्ने
हाँ,
पे.
2 पन्ने फुल मोनोलॉग. एंड आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू इट, नीडलेस टू से, बट वो पूरा का पूरा वो मेरे बैक ऑफ द माइंड में जो प्रेशर था, एक ही टेक मिला है तापसी, अभी एक ही टेक,
सिर्फ
एक ही
एक
शॉट.
टेक मिलता है हमें.
हाँ, एक ही टेक, एक ही शॉट है. अब आप वो पिक्चर में देखोगे जब, तो वो बीच में आपको रिएक्शंस दिखेंगे लोगों के,
ठीक है.
बट वो एक ही टेक है,
हाँ?
एक ही शॉट है.
करा आपने एक टेक
पूरा
में.
अब मेरे पास ऑप्शन क्या था?
ताली बजी उन बात में.
हाँ, बट आई एम सेइंग दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी दैट द सरप्राइज, ही वाज सरप्राइज और शॉक हो जाता अगर मैं नहीं कर पाती. सो आई थिंक प्रोबेबली ही हैड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट ये मुझे सरप्राइज नहीं करेगी या शॉक नहीं करेगी कि बीच में
But you
कुछ भूल
delivered
गई.
also, no? That's it.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. That's the level of familiarity that he has. कि हाँ ये तो करे लेगी, एक ही टेक है, एक ही शॉट है, because all our films, Mulk had a monologue. Thappad had a monologue.
Okay.
This one and all these like pre-climax-ish kind of scenes.
Okay.
And all of them are one single shots.
Wow.
So
That says a lot about you as a performer and an actor.
And his confidence that ये तो कर लेगी,
कर
बाकी
लेगी.
सब खत्म कर. तो मैंने कहा बहुत ये जिम्मेदारी का बोझ बहुत अभी भारी लग रहा है मुझे.
What has happened is now I have worked with such brilliant actors past few years
हाँ.
that I cannot deal with a shade less.
Okay.
So every time I cast a newer actor that I've never worked with before,
हाँ.
he has tremendous amount of pressure.
And they need to step up.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
that's the level you'll operate on.
Like
Mr.
there is
Sinha.
Jatin Goswami in it.
Huh.
Very good actor. Very nice part. You will see.
The cop.
The cop.
Okay. एक रैपिड फायर जल्दी से
जी.
तापसी आपके साथ.
I'm very scared.
क्या है इसमें स्कैर?
मैं रैपिड फायर से डरता हूँ और दुनिया में किसी चीज से नहीं डरता मैं. चलिए नहीं
अनुभव जी, किसी चीज से आप किस चीज से डरते हैं? आप लोगों को डराते हैं हाँ? अपने स्टेटमेंट से और बाकी चीजों से. एनीवेज तापसी शुरू करते हैं. 80 के सेट पर वो कौन सा को-स्टार जिसने अपनी एक्टिंग से आपको सबसे ज्यादा डराया या चैलेंज किया?
I don't feel challenged.
You
I
don't
don't
feel
feel challenged that easily.
at all?
No.
These big, huge,
No.
legendary
That
actors.
makes me feel nervous.
Okay.
But not challenged.
But not challenged.
Not challenged.
Yeah, you looked very comfortable when you did your first shot with Nasir bhai. I was watching.
I'm nervous,
हाँ.
but I'm not challenged.
That says a lot about your inner strength, huh? If that's how it is. अनुभव सिन्हा सेट पर कैसे हैं? एक सख्त जज या साथ मिलकर केस लड़ने वाले वकील?
He's having a party on set because he's always cracking jokes. चाहे हमने सारी इतनी सीरियस और इतनी इंटेंस फिल्म बनाई हैं, जो बिहाइंड द कैमरा माहौल है वो बिल्कुल मैच नहीं करता इंटेंसिटी में जो हो रहा है सामने उसके. एंड थैंक गॉड फॉर दैट, अदरवाइज आई थिंक इट वुड हैव बीन टू हेवी फॉर अस टू गेट थ्रू इट आल्सो.
ओके. बॉलीवुड का वो कौन सा स्टीरियोटाइप है जिस पर आप ऑफिशियली केस ठोकना चाहते हैं? बोलिए बोलिए एकदम दिल से बोलिएगा।
फिल्म्स जो हैं वो नहीं एक लिमिट के ज्यादा काम कर सकती, चाहे जितना मर्जी कोशिश कर लो, ऑडियंस ओपनिंग नहीं देगी बड़ी।
नहीं देगी, ये तो ऑडियंस को बदलना पड़ेगा ना।
क्या अब क्या कर सकते हैं?
तो ऑडियंस को सू कर देते हैं।
ऑडियंस को सू कर देते हैं। ऑडियंस को सू, मतलब हम सब सू हो जाए इसमें।
I'll fight that case.
And she'll fight the case. अब उसको लॉ पढ़ना ही
That's
पड़ेगा।
a new film.
हाँ, that's in another film. Box office collection या दर्शकों का word of mouth, what matters more?
वर्ड ऑफ माउथ होगा तो बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन आता है।
हो जाएगा।
हाँ, it's the same thing.
ओके, अगर असल जिंदगी में आपको किसी मशहूर बॉलीवुड विलन का केस लड़ना पड़े तो वो कौन होगा?
विलन का केस?
So basically, she's saying who's the most charismatic villain that you have seen.
I think all the actors have played. I myself have played villain Badla. It's a very
So
fascinating thing.
we'll
to
do a
play.
double role.
I'll do double. I play. अब यही हो गया ना, मुझे अपनी कास्टिंग ही करनी पड़ रही
कितना
है।
प्रॉम्प्ट कर रहे हैं अनुभव जी? सो
नहीं, मैं तो टीज कर रहा था।
Tease कर रहे हैं।
That's
तो आप जरा मैं पूछूं कि तापसी पन्नू की फेवरेट बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री कौन है?
विद्या।
बालन। हाँ, ओके, अब आपका एक छोटा सा कर लें, अभी वन वर्ड कर लें आपके साथ।
हाँ, कर लीजिए।
हाँ, वन वर्ड कर लें। अच्छा चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सलमान खान।
Salman Khan star. The real star.
ओके, सो कनी कुसरुती।
Fantastic.
फैंटास्टिक। ओके, पापराजी।
Who are they?
I'm glad I didn't say that.
And the internet trolls.
Who are they?
Oh dear. Censorship.
I'll call it certification.
थोड़ा ऑनेस्ट होकर जवाब
बिल्कुल
दीजिए।
honest.
सेंसरशिप है ना,
बिल्कुल, see.
जितना आपके ऊपर पड़ती है ये।
नहीं, आप समझिए।
हाँ,
My view. Now we beyond one word. India has a law. Okay, and it's an independent autonomous body. It has a law. I have to abide by it. No, I will fight with you. I'll argue with you. I'll cajole you. I'll pursue you. I'll get upset. But end of the day, I have to abide by it. I wouldn't like to go to court
okay.
because it's a part of my business, that body.
So comfortable with them?
On this movie, I told them, I said, I'm not going to court.
Okay.
So they were thinking that maybe I'll go to court. I said, no, I'm not going to court. This is my last meeting with you.
Okay.
We'll sort it today.
Okay.
So sometimes I get upset.
yeah.
Sometimes I'm disheartened. But if you see, all my films have seen the light of the day.
They have seen the light of the day. This way or that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nasruddin sir.
Friend, philosopher, guide, national treasure, what not.
What not?
Yeah.
Okay. 100 crore club.
Doesn't mean anything to me.
Nothing.
Depends on how much is the cost of film. So, like Ravan did 130 crores in
नहीं, ये सब
2011.
बेंचमार्क बना दिया ना, ये 100 करोड़, ये 500 करोड़, ये हो गया, इतना कलेक्शन हो
No,
गया।
no, they're all
Does it mean anything to you?
nothing at all.
Zero?
Yeah.
Zilch?
If my film does 100 crores, it means a lot to me.
It will.
Because
Of
they
course.
made in that kind of budget that 100 crores is a
There's a lot of ROI.
big ROI. Like,
What's the budget of the movie?
It must be under close to 15.
Close to 15. So
Yeah.
if you hit 100 crore, then
No, but
doesn't mean-
that's a different maths that none of you know. 100 crores when you receive at the box office, only 50 crores comes to
Okay.
the producer.
producer.
Okay. Okay. But still.
But still.
So, but still.
Yeah.
But
But still
still.
that's good, big.
But still, that's good. Okay. Finally, Taapsee Pannu.
Sweetheart.
thanks.
Okay. On that very sweet note, Anubhav Sanerjee and Taapsee Pannu, thank you so much and wishing you all the
Thank you
best.
for coming by.
Thank you.
Sorry, we were supposed to come.